Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video we are going to be learning about Google Classroom application where we're going to learn how to mute students in Google Classroom. Muting students in Google Classroom is perfect for teachers who want to manage notifications or prevent students from posting during certain activities. In order to mute a student, first of all launch the Google Classroom application open from your Android device. And then once you're inside the main home page, logged into the account, from the dashboard click on the class where you want to mute students. After opening up the class, click on the people button at the bottom right and you will be able to see your students list. To mute a student, all you need to do is to find the three dots right next to the student and then in the pop-up at the bottom, click on mute. Remember that after muting the student can still submit work and other students won't see it. The student can't reply to classmate works and they can't comment or post as well. To confirm, click on mute once again and you will then be able to mute the student in the class. And that's it. You've successfully muted a student in Google Classroom. This feature helps you manage class discussion and keep notifications under control. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.